Hi everyone, I'm Professor Sally Eaves and a huge warm welcome to the Tomorrow's Tech Today YouTube channel. Here you'll find the very latest news, views, research and innovations right across technology, talent and transformational change. That includes up-to-the-minute C-suite interviews, roundtables, webinars, live event coverage and announcements too, with the leading global enterprises and bleeding-edge startups today, plus also shining a light on rising talent too, with our dedicated 365 series showcasing diverse role models and founders in tech. So our purpose is to educate, to inspire and to scale impact, informing business and technology strategic development that has shared value at its heart. So Tech for Good is embedded in all we do. So from AI, blockchain and quantum, to 5G, cloud, edge and IoT, right through to cybersecurity, sustainability and diversity, equity and inclusion, our aim is to consistently and authentically provide you with quality content that can be applied to really make a difference. And we want this to be your channel, so your questions, your feedback are always most welcome. And if you like what we do, please do take a moment to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you sharing your valuable time with us. Thank you.